I was inspired to start Thrive after losing a friend. I lost my dear friend Christy and wanted to create a beauty brand that was empowering women and giving back to women. My name's Karissa Bodnar and I am the founder and CEO of Thrive Cosmetics. We named the company Thrive Cosmetics, specifically spelling it C-A-U-S-E, because we have a greater mission of helping all women truly thrive in their lives. I've always loved the way that makeup makes women feel, and really the way that makeup made me feel. When a woman feels confident, she's unstoppable. So for every Thrive product purchased, we donate one to help a woman in need thrive.
My name is Natalie Augustin. I'm from Montreal, Canada, and I am a cancer thriver. Karissa told me about Thrive's mission and purpose, and I just knew that she was trying to make a difference in this world. I knew she had a higher and deeper purpose that I wanted to be a part of it. And I think the messages that I actually get on the daily are those, wow, sorry. A lot of women say that if it weren't for me sharing my life with them, that they wouldn't be able to keep going, and that they have a hope. It's incredible to see how far Thrive Cosmetics has come. It's truly humbling because I remember Karissa had this dream where she wanted to donate millions of products to women in need, and fast forward to today and it's happening.
The best part about my job being Thrive's founder is when you are driven by a purpose that is greater than yourself, it doesn't feel like work. It's really, truly an honor to be able to do what I do every day.